So hello guys, in this video we will solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure AQB is a semicircle, like you can see A, Q and B, these are 3 points, and if you see that this is a semicircle and PQ is parallel to the RS, so this line PQ is parallel to this line RS, and PA is equal to the PB, so PA is equal to this PB, which is equal to this PQ because all three are is equal to the radius of this semicircle, and which is equal to the 2 times this RS. And PR value is given like 10 centimeters. So this length is given as 10 centimeter. So we have to find the radius of this circle, like this circle. So if the center of this circle is this point, so we have to find the radius of this circle, like what is the value of R. So this is the problem. So you can first try, then see the solution. So let's start. So see this figure. So in this figure, I am assuming like PA, PQ and PB, which are radius of this semicircle, all are equal to the 2x. And in the problem it is given that these equal to the 2 times RS. So this is equal to the 2 times RS. So from here you can calculate the value of Rx, which is equal to the x. So this is x. Now in the circle you know the intersecting chords formula, like this is one chord and this is another chord of the circle, and this is mid, and these two are intersecting at the point E. Let's say this is AB and this is CD. So you can write AE times EB is equal to the CE times CD. So this is the property of the circle. So here you can see that if you complete this circle, like if we complete this circle like this, so we can make bigger. So we can make this like this bigger. So if you mirror this, like so, this is one code like this, and this is another code. So the both of these are intersecting at this point. So we can write like SR times this is S dash. So this RS dash is equal to AR times RB. So we can write this because this part and this part are symmetric. So if this is X, this is also X. So by symmetry, we can say that these both are X, but here AR, which is equal to the this 2X plus this 10, and what is RB? This RB. So this whole is 2X, and if you subtract 10, like this part, so this will become like this part. So this is 2x minus 10. So we get one relation. Like what is the relation? 2x plus 10 times 2x minus 10 is equal to the x square. So from here you can solve this. So it will become like 4x square minus x square minus 100 is equal to 0. So here a plus b, a minus b. So this product is 4x square minus 100. And if you take x square this side, this will become like this. So here 3x square is equal to 100. So x is equal to 10 by root 3 you are getting from this. So we calculated the value of x. Now you see basically this figure. So in this figure we have to find the radius of this circle. So this is the center and this is tangent like AP, and if we draw perpendicular from center to this tangent, so this is 90 degree and this length is equal to the radius. Also this is the tangent. If we draw perpendicular, then this length is equal to the radius. And now you see like this is y, this is y. So this is same, this line and this line are parallel, so this distance is y, so this is also y. So if this is y, this is also y, so this is one square of all sides y. So P is the center of this bigger semicircle and O is the center of this inner circle. So what is like this distance, this diagonal distance? So this is the diagonal of this square, which is equal to the simply root 2 times y. From Pythagoras theorem, like this angle is 90 degree. So what is the hypotenuse? It is equal to root 2 times y. And if you add y, so from center to the any point on the circle, this distance is equal to the radius. So root 2 times plus y, this whole distance is equal to the radius of this bigger circle, bigger semicircle. You can see, so P is the center of this bigger semicircle and N is the point on this semicircle. So this whole distance, it is equal to the radius of this bigger circle, which is equal to the, initially we assume it is equal to the 2x. So this is one relation we get. So we get like this relation, root 2 y plus y is equal to 2 times x. Y plus root 2 times y, this is whole distance is 2x. So this relation we get. So from here we can see that y is equal to 2x divided by root 2 plus 1, and x value we calculated like 10 by root 3. So you can put x is equal to 10 by root 3, and you can multiply numerator and denominator by root 2 minus 1. So it will become like this: 20 times root 2 minus 1 divided by root 3. So you can also write like 20 by 3 root 6 minus root 3. So so in this way you can solve this. So this is the this y is the radius of this inner circle, and we found the value of this is equal to this. So in this way we can solve. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video.